All right, we finally got it. The Michael Jackson Smooth Criminal Funko Pop. This is from the Pop Rock series. MJ number 345. Michael Jackson. Side of the box, Pop Rocks, Michael Jackson 345. Pop Rocks, Michael Jackson 345. Pop Rocks, MJ 345. Here he is, the smooth criminal himself, MJ. Got his little curl coming down the side of his eye, sideburns, curly hair, ponytail in the back, clean white suit on, white tie, blue shirt, got his blue armband, his little fingers with the tape on it. Nice clean hat, black band, shiny shoes, and his base is one solid piece attached. So you can't take that off. Hee hee. Very cool. Now let's check out the Michael Jackson Thriller Funko Pop. Also says Pop Rocks on the front. MJ number 359. Michael Jackson. The side of the box, Pop Rocks, Michael Jackson 359. Pop Rocks, MJ 359. Half a picture of Michael. Pop Rocks, Michael Jackson 359, and a little picture on the bottom. Let's get them open. There we go. So this one, oh, it comes with a base. He's got one hole on the bottom of his foot. Let's see if we can get that in there. There he is. One, two, three, four curls coming down. Little baby hair on the side. Nice. Got his red leather pants, red leather jacket, black shoes with white socks, designs on the back, and let's stand them up. Back view, side view, and back to the front. Let's bring in the smooth criminal and have them fight. He looks like he's ready to go too. Awesome figures. It's a close-up comparison. This one's a little darker than this one. Just a shade. Same height, except for he's leaning. And it's hard to keep the base on. That's pretty much it though. It's got the Michael Jackson Smooth Criminal Funko Pop and the Michael Jackson Thriller Funko Pop. Awesome. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. Hee hee.